Hey, hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm back with another concept in the Tableau dashboard development. So let me select the sample superstore data and I will walk you through a true false filter, like how to create a true false filter in the data visualization. So let me try to subcategory over here and sales for the subcategory like this, looking good. And here I will try to enable the labels. Okay, simple. So currently I am able to see the total amount of sale across each subcategory. Okay, and let's see, I want to visualize the sales which is greater than 100k dollar. Okay, so how I can achieve this number? I will create a calculated filter, and there is one way where you can true false filter create. Looking perfect, I will apply and create it, and will drag it to the color over here. And I just want to see how effectively it look like. Are you able to see the magic? If the condition is true, it is returning into the maroon, or I think it is kind of orange bar, and the condition is false, it is returning into the blue bar. If I use the same into the filter over here in the filters, then I have a choice, like whether I want to keep the true or false. I will hit apply and OK, and here we go. So here now I am able to see the subcategories who have sales figure greater than 100k. So this is how you can create a true false filter and apply it to your dashboard, your chart. And there are many other ways to create true false filter, but this is one of the way that I have shown to you. All right, so hope you got a basic understanding of how to create true false filter. And if you want to know any other concept of the Tableau, you can comment your query into comment box. I will definitely create a video on that particular topic and will share with you guys. Hope you found this useful. Hit a thumbs up button and share this with your friend who is learning Tableau, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Till then, take care, bye bye, happy learning.